was walking that road wide and easy, chasing the highs, but feeling so empty. Devil whispered, you're too far gone. But then I heard heaven singing my song. I was lost in the dark, couldn't see the light, bound by my shame, trapped in the night. So mercy called out my name, and love set this prisoner free again. For mercy found me on the highway to hell, lifting me up when my own strength failed. Grace said, child, you don't have to die. Now I'm running straight to Jesus' side. Oh, I was blind, but now I see. Mercy brought me to my knees. No more chains, no more lies. I feel the fire in my soul rise. The world's road, I left it behind. Now I'm walking in the great I am's light. I'm not who I was. Grace rewrote my story. I'm not where I was. Glory stole my shame. I'm not what I was. Jesus bought me with his blood. Now I'm shouting for one. Mercy knows my name. For mercy found me when I couldn't be found. Turned my weeping into a crown. Grace said, child, you're finally home. Now I'm singing at the Savior's throne. Oh, death lost a loved one. Mercy brought me to the sun. If you ask me how I'm free, I'll point you to Calvary, where it found me.